Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, good Monday evening. There is the view from Carter Mountain as we look off now to the north and west, and it's a lot drier than it was just a little while ago this afternoon. We had a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Drier in terms of it's not raining right now. It's still plenty humid even after in the wake of some of those storms that rolled through. Here's a nice shot. Yuki Johnson captured that up at the Rio Hill Shopping Center as the storm was approaching from the north and west. You can see the rain shaft right there. And again, kind of repeat thunderstorms rolling over the same areas this afternoon, especially through western and northern sections of Albemarle. Here's a look that Jim Carpenter captured of those billowing cumulus congestus clouds before the storm started to get going, and that was a nice shot this afternoon. So again, let's take a look at current numbers at the airport. Currently 80, made it up to 92 this afternoon before the storm set in, but 80 with a dew point of 72. It still feels like it's in the upper 80s at this hour. Plenty sticky. 86 the current reading at the Shenandoah Valley Airport in Weeders Cave, where there were some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon as well. Hottest spot, untouched by any storms, 90 there in Dillwyn. Other areas either had storms that impacted them or the proximity of the storms helped to knock the temperature back down. 81 there in Louisa, 78 in Madison, 82 currently in Waynesboro. Still have a severe thunderstorm watch for areas east of the Blue Ridge until 10 o'clock. It may be allowed to expire early, but we are still keeping an eye on some storms that are down toward the Roanoke and Rockbridge County area. There's a review of the last 4 hours. You can see a couple of those storms basically as they moved off to the northeast impacting the same areas this afternoon. And here's a current view out toward Menroe. There's a little shower in progress here, but again, nothing too impactful. But there we are near Jackson. And then we got a little shower just south of Swannanoa near the Afton area. We'll go a little farther south now. These storms are still producing some heavy rain, and now we already have a severe thunderstorm warning for areas just east of there into portions of Bedford County, I would say. So Natural Bridge up toward Buena Vista and Lexington impacted. That's moving off to the north and east, so we'll keep an eye on that. Upper 60s, low 70s here for the overnight. Scattered storms early tonight, muggy with areas of fog. And then for tomorrow, upper 80s, low 90s. There will be a few storms that will try to materialize tomorrow afternoon. They'll likely originate on the crest of the Blue Ridge and then try to work off to the east or farther to the west in the Alleghenies and work east into the Shenandoah Valley. But basically, it's a hot and humid air mass this week. As a matter of fact, we're going to have a long stretch of 90-plus days. It'll take us through the rest of this week and even into the upcoming weekend, and next week it does appear. So still that severe thunderstorm watch box early. The bigger threats up north of Washington, and now those storms are beginning to impact Philadelphia and the like, but still some more storms working their way up the 81 corridor and along the Blue Ridge here, so we'll keep an eye on that for early this evening. Otherwise, just warm and muggy conditions. Big area of low pressure is lifting up toward eastern Canada. Fronts this time of year really don't make it through, so they kind of either wash out or languish nearby. That's really going to be the case for us. Look at the big heat out west. We'll get a flavor of that over the next several days. So here we are early this evening, a few more storms. Otherwise quiet for the overnight, warm and muggy, temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s. We'll heat up during the afternoon. Again, a few storms are possible, but no widespread rain anticipated. Wednesday starts around 70, and by Wednesday afternoon, low and mid 90s. Tonight, a few storms early, muggy, areas of fog, upper 60s, lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A building heat wave this week that takes us to the rest of this week and upcoming weekend, and those heat indices by the middle and end of the week will be at or above 100. So take those precautions and stay cool, Steve.
All right, Eric, good advice. Thank you. We will be right back.